After the age of 50, many people notice something interesting about their mornings. You can eat breakfast and still feel tired an hour later, or worse, hungry again before the morning is even halfway over. But this usually isn't about how much you're eating, it's about what you're eating. Hello, I'm Dr. Edward, and welcome to Ageless Insight. After 50, the body becomes more sensitive to swings in blood sugar. When breakfast causes a quick spike in blood sugar, the body releases insulin to bring it back down. That sudden drop is what often leaves people feeling tired, foggy, or hungry again shortly after eating. What this means for your daily life is simple. The best breakfast after 50 is one that keeps your blood sugar steady, not one that sends it on a roller coaster. And the easiest way to do that is by building your breakfast around protein. Protein digests more slowly than refined carbohydrates. It helps keep you full longer, supports muscle maintenance, and provides more stable energy throughout the morning. For example, eggs with a small portion of vegetables can be an excellent way to begin the day. Greek yogurt with berries and a handful of nuts is another simple option. Even something as basic as oatmeal becomes more supportive when it's paired with protein like yogurt, nuts, or seeds. The goal is not perfection, it is balance. A breakfast that includes protein, some fiber, and a moderate amount of healthy carbohydrates tends to keep energy steady for several hours. Think of it as giving your body slow, steady fuel, rather than a quick spark that burns out too quickly. As the old saying reminds us, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. A thoughtful breakfast is one small way to do exactly that. Small habits practiced consistently often have the greatest influence on our long-term health. Here at Ageless Insight, we explore practical ways to support energy, strength, and independence as we age. And sometimes, it begins with something as simple as how we start the morning. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making changes to your health. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.